Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Aman. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm giving up my Lightroom presets for free. This is the all-in-one Lightroom presets, and it is completely free. You just have to go to the link in the description and download it from there. Now I show you my presets. So presets are all-in-one, as mentioned earlier. So there are 4 presets in my Lightroom. For Lightroom, first is black and white. Black and white, which you can use in all your image. Second is landscape, which you can use for your landscape photos. And third is portrait images. And fourth is wedding. So don't use my presets for another category which are not belong to it. So this is a portrait photo. So now I show you the presets. Here is the preset. You just have to import the presets in your Lightroom and apply it. You just have to click once and it will done all your work. So and I show you the difference between the photo. So as you can see, my presets are take the photo in the next level. So I show you another thing. So as you can see, the quality of my presets and the original quality of the photo. So this is the portrait preset. Now I show you the second preset, which belongs to a wedding photo. So this is my wedding preset. Apply on it this photo. So now I show you the difference. Here is the difference between the photo. This is original and this is after. So as you can see the difference between the photos with preset and without preset. So now I show you the landscape photo. I think this is the best preset I made in this pack, which is landscape. You can see the colors are very punchy and high contrast image. So now I show you the difference. You can see the photo looks very great, as you can see. So the last preset of this pack is black and white. This is a landscape photo. Now by applying this preset, you can see the photo is black and white and it is looking very good. So you can apply this preset on any photo you want. I apply this preset on this photo and it is looking very good. Now I apply on this photo. This preset you can use in all your photos, whether it is a wedding, portrait, landscape, any photo you want. So you can donate if you want, or just download the preset for free. So I will make my presets, premium presets, after March of 7. Stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you want more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. My name is Aman and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.